The MidOpt Curve Compare Tool. Easily find the right filter for your application. First, visit midopt.com. Under Tools, select Curve Compare. You'll see the curve chart at the top. Every filter MidOpt offers is shown below by category. Clicking a filter will reveal its useful range curve on the graph. Let's say you wanted to compare the BP590 with the LP530. Simply select each filter. The curves for each filter will appear in the wavelength chart showing how the curves compare. Mouse over each curve to show its transmission at a given wavelength. For another example, let's say you wanted to compare two neutral density filters, the ND90 and the ND300. It's that simple. With the MidOpt Curve Compare tool, you can easily compare up to 5 filters at once. Only for MidOpt. Thank you for watching.